Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making some quick and crispy air fryer chicken wings. So let's get started. First off, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. This is an optional step, but it lets you have really consistent timing for all the batches of chicken wings you're gonna make. Now, grab 2 pounds of chicken wings, and we have a little bit of work to do. I wanna separate these into drums and flats, so give them a little pop, and we're gonna cut between the bones. Sometimes you can find wings separated into drums and flats at the market. Very convenient, but I'm having some trouble finding them at my local market. So I want to show you how easy it is to prep these out. Don't throw your tips away. Pop these into a freezer bag and use them the next time you're going to make chicken stock. Your goal isn't to cut through the bone, it's to cut in between the bones. That's why we're popping the joints out first. Once your wings are separated, pat them dry with some paper towels. You want to have your chicken wings completely coated in delicious things, which means you have to have a dry wing to start off, so it really picks everything up. Okay, there we go. Right now I'm gonna set my wings aside for just a minute, grab a big bowl, and we're gonna make a delicious coating for these. Into my large bowl, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon or so of garlic powder. And by the way, these are just like the starting spices. You can add any and all of your favorites. Onion powder, paprika, lemon pepper. You could add in Creole seasonings. The only constraint is not to add spices that have salt mixed in already because it might be a bit salty. If you really need to do that, just decrease the salt we added. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Now I'm gonna add my chicken and toss it until everything's well coated. By the way, this recipe is by popular request. I made a baked chicken wings video and people were asking, what about the air fryer? And I actually use my air fryer all the time. Sometimes I use it every day because I get in these like air fryer zones where I wanna have like quick, crispy things the kids like and we all enjoy. So if there's an air fryer recipe that you'd like to see on the channel, just let me know and I'll be happy to oblige. All right, give these chicken wings a toss. We just want them all coated in that mixture of spices and oil. Okay. These are nicely coated. Now we're gonna pop these into our air fryer, which is already preheated in batches. You really want a little bit of space in between each wing so they fry up evenly and they don't steam heat. Add your wings into the heated basket. Remember to leave some space. No need to crowd them out. All right, last one in. Close it up. Increase time to 16 minutes. And press start. After 8 minutes, we're gonna give these a good shake and make sure everything's flipped over so they're evenly crispy. Just make sure you're using a new set of tongs or spatula, whatever. Do not cross-contaminate your raw chicken with the cooked chicken. While those are cooking, in a large bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of melted butter. The butter's gonna provide richness and be a real vehicle for the hot sauce. I want some spicy wings, so grab your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Frank's Hot today, not sponsored. And I want a 1/4 cup of it. Pour that into your butter and mix it up. You could use a spatula or a whisk. It's totally up to you. It's the easiest sauce, but it is so delicious. It really gives you like a richness with the heat. I even love the color. All right, this is ready. We're gonna toss our wings in it as soon as they're all done. After 8 minutes, it's time to flip them. All right. Just turn each of these guys upside down. Once they're all flipped over, close your air fryer up, 8 more minutes, and then we're gonna work in batches until it's all done. By the by, I actually have 2 air fryers, so when I'm cooking for my family with an air fryer recipe, I get them both out, and I'm working the 2 baskets because it just makes it so much faster, and I always wanna cook a big batch of whatever I'm air frying. It's gonna be delicious. After 16 minutes, I gave them a little peek and they're almost ready, but you can always add a little bit more time if needed. I'm gonna give them 2 minutes and take a look. I want these to be as crispy and golden as possible. No soggy wings for you. 2 minutes later, let's take a look. That looks nice, come see this. Golden and crispy. Transfer these guys to a baking sheet or a bowl. And we're off to the next batch. and 9. In you go, 16 minutes more. Beep, beep, beep. All right. My wings are all done. It's time to toss them in the sauce and look at the transformation that happens. Give them a good toss so they're nicely coated. Feel free to spoon some sauce over the top too. And just like that, your wings are ready to enjoy. That is so simple, but so good. It's just the right amount of heat, just the right amount of salt and spice, and the wings are crispy as can be. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe, and if you like this video, check out my chicken playlist.